If you know this country, this is Israel, and this is also the Germany, I have a 7 magnificent here. In this 100 feet ground in the fault line, this country, you know, every station I know in country. In Alpapay Station, I have 27 canyons, 7 granites, and 27 boulevard business of bull tanks of negative 77 part of night shadow, the fixer. When I opened the Malacanang City in St. Jude Hospital, I have a 7 grounds of magnificent 7 treasure of national golds of Colombia, and that is a first golden Buddha. I know this city. In this whole world, I have many missiles in this colony. I have 37 missiles under the ground of Camiedo, and it was easy to find because the 400 feet was injured by my knuckled hot down of my shadow that paint the most of the finger of the last copy of the full seat. That is the Magna Fanta computer. And not pleasing my mind, because Doy Aquino was fixed that demon, he find my 3 character of my 2 hearts, and the shadow he put in the fire, and I recover. And I use drugs of Gap Chabu. So when I use drugs, I remember my morning. A bombo is a further, if you remember, Master, Señores, good morning, good morning po. Pasensya na po. That was the time I know. You better know the day. I'm better for all, And you know this country is a city kind of God. That is Jerusalem. For all of you, if you contact Mrs. Marcos or anybody who is in Marcos family, you told them, hey, butter, you respect my mind, boy. It's just an innocent time. You give me a shit of mine. You wanna kiss my chicken? Come on, let's fight. How do you go see? Better respect somebody's talking. If you don't like my dialogue, you go out in the city. I'm a police also. I'm an NBI, I'm an FBI. Even you talk to Mr. Krame, Funny speech. You're from India, punchata ka puti. Do you remember Rango? When I did 100 Nina, you know, fix a dampo, Pika. I know you, Bobby. If you have a kid nothing me, no money allowed for me, but I'm innocent citizen. I love Filipino mind, Better rin mo, I'm secure, Ngayon kung kinailangan kayo, kung kailangan yung mama ko, kung malapit kayo kay mama, sabihin nyo si Bongbong gising. Ang putang ng Channel 7, Channel 2 ayaw papasukin. Paano takot sila? Putang ng itong mga niyakin ko, bububutan ko ng ulo sa harapan niya. Ang laki na atrasurahan niya. Yung pinaka-itlog ko, tsaka yung pinaka-basahis ko, nilagay niya sa ilalim. Isoma ko, nilagay niya dito. Ang headfit ko, kita niyo, wala na ako ko. Eh, paano busy keep my 3 eyes, My nose was put in the heart, man. And my hair put in my pubic hair. It changed easy. And I cannot fix that, That's the demon of Vietnam, Now he's a president. But I say, a Filipino is smarter.